This is Word Module 6, working on Skills Review, creating labels. So go ahead and choose File, New, Blank Document, choose Mailings, select Start Mail Merge, select Labels, and then for this one, make sure you choose Avery US letter, and the one that we're looking for, you scroll all the way down, it's 5160, address labels, 5160, and then OK. And we're going to use the data source that we used for the letter. So choose Select Recipients, use an existing list, go to where you put the data source, and there you'll have it. Make sure you the one with the red key, your Redwood data, and OK. Again, don't worry that the next record is in every one except the first one. Choose Address Block, and that's how we want it to appear. So click OK. Update labels, and then preview results, and there you have it. And then you can click Finish and Merge, edit individual documents, all, and OK. And that will be saved as Redwood Labels Main. And then we're going to do another one where, so that's one that you'll save under Redwood label names, and then we're doing another one from the same list. So we're going to go back to mailing, so that's one that you'll submit. The next one, so once you save this and submit it, you can close out, and then you'll be back to your original, and we'll go back to edit recipient list. And then we're going to choose, we're going to filter. So scroll over to the last category, Park, and select only Redwood. So there's only two. And then I know there's only two, but they still want you to sort, and they want us to sort by city. And if you'll notice that it's already in city alphabetic order, so we'll just continue. OK. And then OK. So there's only the two. So we want to add one more to the list. So go to Edit Recipient List. And then in order, right now you just have the two with the Park Redwood. Click the data source and then choose Edit. And then we'll click Find, and we'll type in Maria and click Find next. Then we can cancel. So for Maria Shad, we're going to scroll over to Park, and then to change it, we're going to click the Park for her and change it to Redwood, and then click OK. Yes to save it, and OK. And it's automatically added to the new list, and it's in alphabetic order as well. And then you can go ahead and finish and merge, and OK. And this one will be saved as Redwood Labels Redwood Only Merge. And you're done. Thank you.